Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is Fairphone 5 and in this video I am going to show you how to test fingerprint scanner on this device. Alright, so to do this, firstly we have to open our settings. Next we have to head to security option where we have to click on a fingerprint. Now we have to enter our PIN. And as you can see, right here is the sensor of fingerprint scanner that we have to just here lift and touch a few times. We have to change positions because we have to make sure that it scans our fingerprints properly. And as you can see, fingerprint is added. So now look. As you can see, I can now unlock my device with fingerprint. For example, if I use this one, as you can see, fingerprint not recognized. And that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!